Are you looking for a beach house on Cape Cod? A place where you can come and then leave knowing everything is still taken care of? Well, welcome to Cranberry Knoll Condominiums here in Dennis. Welcome inside Cranberry Knoll's most desirable layout. We have single level living here, 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. In addition to hardwood floors throughout, we have the laundry tucked away right here. You have your own private patio where you can garden and enjoy the shade of the Japanese maple. The large primary suite has a beautiful view of your private garden. And if you're downsizing and concerned about storage, we have you covered. Come visit me here at Cranberry Knoll Condominiums if you're looking for single level living here on Cape Cod. I'm Ed Johnston with Dwell360 Real Estate. Thanks for stopping by.